2015 Mercedes-Benz SLS AMG GT Final Edition. Price $315,000. Location Miami. The 2015 Mercedes-Benz SLS AMG GT Final Edition is not just a car. It is the final masterpiece of an era that defined modern supercar excellence. Built as one of only 350 units worldwide, this rare machine represents the closing chapter of the legendary Gullwing legacy, making it a true collector's dream. From the moment you see those iconic doors lift upward, you know this is something extraordinary. The exterior, finished in iridium silver metallic, gives this car a timeless and aggressive presence. Carbon fiber elements on the hood, rear wing, and optional engine cover elevate both performance and visual appeal. Every angle of this car reflects precision engineering, while the AMG red brake calipers and staggered wheels complete its bold and athletic stance. The heart of this machine is a handcrafted 6.2-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine, widely considered one of the greatest engines ever produced by AMG. Paired with an automatic transmission, it delivers an unforgettable driving experience with raw power, sharp response, and an unmistakable exhaust note that true enthusiasts will instantly recognize. The interior offers a perfect balance between luxury and sport. Wrapped in Designo black exclusive leather with diamond stitching and silver contrast, the cabin feels premium and driver-focused. Carbon fiber trim surrounds the cockpit, while features like AMG Power Sport seats, Bang & Olufsen audio system, navigation and blind spot assist ensure both comfort and advanced technology. With just over 21,000 miles, this California-based example has been carefully maintained and comes with over $11,000 in service records. Despite its salvage title, the car remains in excellent mechanical condition, making it an appealing opportunity for buyers seeking exclusivity at a more accessible price point. The SLS AMG GT Final Edition is more than a supercar. It is a symbol of performance heritage, engineering brilliance, and timeless design. If you are looking for a rare, head-turning investment that delivers both thrill and prestige, this could be the perfect addition to your collection.